Hi, I'm Beaver Buddy. Get ready for a magical children's story with a heartwarming moral about embracing who you are and believing in your hidden talents. What if an octopus could bake dreams into bread? Deep beneath the coral caves lived Ollie, an octopus with 8 arms and a heart full of cinnamon rolls. Ollie wasn't like the others in the reef. While others swam fast or played games, he stirred dough with seashell spoons and wrote recipes in the sand. His bakery was hidden inside a giant hollow clam shell, where the walls smelled like nutmeg and sea salt, and every tide brought new ingredients. The sea creatures loved his baking, especially the jellyfish jellies and squid ink muffins that made you giggle after every bite. But Ollie had a secret dream. He wanted to bake for the annual Ocean Crown Festival, where only the boldest talents were invited to shine. "You're just a baker," whispered a jealous crab named Crispin. "The festival is for singers and dancers, not cookie makers." Ollie's tentacles drooped. Maybe Crispin was right. He wasn't shiny or loud. He only had flour, flavor, and a swirl of hope. That night, Ollie stared at the moonbeam drifting through seaweed curtains, wondering if his baking could ever be more than just delicious. Just then, a strange glow shimmered outside his bakery. An injured anglerfish, glowing faintly and tangled in plastic ribbon. Ollie rushed out, snipping the ribbon with his butter knife and cradling the little fish in seaweed blankets, offering her warm coral cookies. The anglerfish blinked her glowing bulb and whispered, "You have magic in your meals. They make my heart feel brave again." Her words sparked something in Ollie's chest. What if baking was more than sugar and sprinkles? What if it could heal and inspire? Ollie swam all night, crafting a menu of enchanted treats: confidence croissants, giggle ganache, and marshmallow memories from childhood. He sculpted cupcakes shaped like coral gardens and braided dough to look like sun rays, each filled with flavors tied to memories. On the morning of the festival, he set up a stand near the coral stage, unsure if anyone would notice between the shell dancers and eel jugglers. But the moment a shy seahorse tasted his lemon hope pie, her fins lit up like sea lanterns. "I feel like I can sing again," she cried. One by one, creatures gathered, each nibbling a little something, each leaving with more courage, laughter, or tears of healing. Even the grumpy barnacle judge waddled over and munched on a velvet kelp truffle. "This reminds me of my mama," he whispered. Just as Ollie smiled, Crispin stomped over, furious. "You're cheating. You're using feelings. That's not talent. It's trickery." The judge turned slowly, eyes moist. Maybe the greatest talent isn't loud or shiny. It's making others feel seen and whole. Crispin huffed and disappeared into a shell, while the crowd surrounded Ollie, chanting his name like sweet caramel thunder. Ollie's heart swelled like rising dough. He didn't win a trophy, but something bigger happened. His stand became the heart of the festival. Later, the anglerfish returned, glowing brighter than ever. "You gave me more than cookies," she said. "You reminded me to shine." From that day on, Ollie's bakery became a magical stop for anyone needing hope, hugs, or honeyed harmony baked into every bite. Sea turtles traveled miles just to taste his moon pies. Dolphins laughed louder after one bite of his joy buns. Even Crispin, secretly, left a note one night. "Your ginger cake made me less grumpy. Don't tell anyone." Ollie never forgot that night, the way the ocean sparkled, not from lights, but from hearts that felt full. He still bakes every morning, humming with his tentacles dancing, needing not just dough, but dreams, bravery, and kindness. And if you ever swim by a glowing clamshell that smells like vanilla tides and sea sugar, you just might meet him. Moral: true talent isn't always loud or showy. It's the quiet magic that makes others feel special, brave, and loved just as they are. See you soon with more magical adventures, wonderful places, and heartwarming tales with Beaver Buddy.